If you're looking for a PSU with room to power a power-hungry PC on a tight budget, then the MSI MAG A650BN is the best option right now. In a market where most budget options include 500-watt PSUs, MSI decided to disrupt the market with a unit that offers 650 watts of continuous power in an awesome-looking package. The design of the A650BN is unique and different from what we see in other budget PSUs. It has an all-black compact body with accented grooves and markings that don't distract or look off-putting. In my opinion, the design is a standout feature because almost all budget PSUs look similar. Even the cables are all black with a unified sleeving, which makes it look clean and helps make budget PC builds look more premium compared to cheaper units with colorful cables. When it comes to performance, the unit is well built, and even though this is one of MSI's early attempts, it's a great unit. It can handle powerful parts like an RTX 4070 Super or RX 7900 XT paired with a fast CPU like the Ryzen 7 7700 or i7 14700 at stock speeds. This is unheard of because at the asking price of the A650BN, you'll find mostly low-end 500-watt units that are only good for a really basic PC. Only the EVGA 650BP can be considered as an alternative because it's nearly identical to the A650BN. The only problem is that EVGA isn't making that PSU anymore, and hasn't updated it in a long time, which means that stock for the 650BP will run out any time now. In summary, the MSI MAG A650BN is a budget-friendly answer to those who want more wattage than what budget PSUs usually offer. MSI is looking to shake up the budget segment, and with great power delivery, quiet operation, and a unique design, the A650BN just might help them get there. To sum up, what I like is the unique design for a budget PSU and the high wattage for the price. On the downside, non-modular cables. Ratings: design, 9 out of 10. Power delivery and efficiency, 8 out of 10. Cooling and noise, 8 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10, for an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10.